I don't believe in work-life balance. Hi, this is Mihnea from UpLife. I just don't believe in work-life balance. To me, work should be something that defines you. If there is a balance between something that defines you and your life, your lifestyle, then you're not what defines you. The moment you say that this defines me, that this becomes part of your lifestyle. So when people say, oh, you should have a good balanced work-life equation, actually they refer to a job lifestyle balance. A job is something we do for money. Now, work is something that we do because we love it, because we identify with it. Now, I'm not saying that your job cannot be something that you love. On the contrary, I totally believe that you should do a job that you really, really love. But at the same time, the job does not define you, but your work defines you. Let me explain. I am a teacher. My job is to teach students social studies and psychology. But my job does not define me. Me working in this particular school and teaching these particular students does not define me. But the work that I do defines me. Now, I'm not saying that I don't put effort into my job. On the contrary, I give my best when I'm in front of the students. I give it all to my fullest ability. But that doesn't mean that the job defines me. What I do for myself, the work that I put for my own development, for my own growth, for my own brand, that is my work. And that work defines me. And there cannot be a work-life balance when what you do, this kind of work defines you. It's like, for example, when me and my wife were getting to know each other before we got married, she said, oh, have you finished your work? And I told her very early in our relationship, my work is never finished. My work is part of my life. How can then I have a work-life balance? I do have a job lifestyle balance. Whatever happened at school, whatever problems there were, whatever issues have to still be solved, it's going to happen the next day. When I left school, I left my job. I left the place where I do my job. But my work never stops. It doesn't stop at school. It doesn't stop at the place where I earn money. It doesn't stop at home. It doesn't stop when I travel. It doesn't stop when I sleep. All I can think of is my work. So if you are looking for a work-life balance, then you should look again at the kind of work that you do. If your work is something that you need a break from, then it's the wrong kind of work that you do. If your job is something that you need a break from, that's something else, and actually we all need money and we all need to make a living. And it's fine doing that job until your work can become your financial support. How about that? Arriving at not a work-life balance, arriving at a point where your work is your life, is your income, is your legacy. How about that for work-life balance? Ciao.